In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mobile view simulator for websites in Google Chrome. This is a fantastic way to ensure that the sites you design or visit are optimized for mobile devices without needing to use an actual smartphone or tablet. So let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, you'll need to open Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome is a robust browser, and one of its many features is the ability to host extensions, which we'll be using today. Once you've opened Chrome, focus your attention on the address bar at the top of the window. Go ahead and type in chrome.google.com/webstore, then press enter. This will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, where you can find a wide variety of extensions that enhance your browsing experience. Now, since we're looking to simulate a mobile view, you'll want to find an extension designed for this purpose. In the search box, located conveniently at the top middle of your screen, type Mobile Simulator. Once you hit enter, you'll see a list of extensions related to mobile simulation. Among these, you should locate the one named Mobile Simulator, Responsive Testing Tool. It's crucial to select this trusted extension to ensure a smooth and safe browsing experience. Click on the Mobile Simulator extension to open its page. Here you'll find more information about what it offers and how it works. When you're ready, click on the Add to Chrome button, which you'll find prominently displayed. At this point, Chrome will display a pop-up window asking for confirmation. Simply click Add Extension to continue. It may take a few moments to install, so don't worry if it takes a minute. Once the installation is complete, look towards the top right corner of Chrome. You should see the Mobile Simulator icon appearing in the toolbar. If for any reason you don't spot it right away, don't fret. Click on the puzzle piece icon, which opens up the extensions menu. From here, you can easily pin the mobile simulator to your toolbar by clicking the pin icon next to it. This will ensure it's always visible and just a click away whenever you need it. Now that it's installed and ready to go, here's how you can use it. Open any website you're curious about, then simply click on the mobile simulator icon. You'll have the option to choose from various devices, such as an iPhone, iPad, or Android. Select the device you wish to emulate, and instantly, the website will adjust to that mobile view, allowing you to see how it appears on smaller screens. And there you have it. You've successfully added and utilized a mobile view simulator in Google Chrome. This can be incredibly helpful for developers, designers, or anyone wanting to check the mobile friendliness of a site. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you in your future browsing endeavors.